I'm Tina Brown, a somatic healing practitioner and the founder of Power to Heal. For decades, I've lived with pain and the belief that my body was the enemy. But I've learned healing isn't about control, it's about connection. This podcast is where science meets spirit, a space to explore how the nervous system heals, how breath brings safety, and how the body remembers what the mind forgets. Each week, we'll weave together somatic practices, neuroscience, and the quiet wisdom of the soul. You'll hear stories of transformation, guided practices, and gentle reminders that healing isn't a destination, it's a homecoming. Because the body is not broken, it's communicating. And when we learn to listen, it leads us home. This is Power to Heal Conversations. Take a breath and remember, the power to heal has always been with you.